Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add formula in Monday.com. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for Monday.com, and sign in your account. So once you've done that, just go ahead and select your board at the left side of your screen. Okay? So this is my sample board. So to add formula, click on the plus sign right here and choose the formula set option. Okay, but before, and that is how you add formula. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you an example. So let's just go ahead and add a number. So for example, you have multiple number. So number one, this is the number one, and this is number two. Okay, sorry. So let me just go ahead and move it right here. So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and type in numbers right here. So you can name this whatever you want, okay? This one. So for example, I want to minus all of them, okay? So if you don't want to manually, just go ahead and type the so you don't want to manually solve for the difference of each item, so just go ahead and use a formula. So to use the formula, click on the tab right here, press, as you can see, Control plus space. So you can see all of these suggestions. So just go ahead and use any suggestion that you want, but I'm just gonna go ahead and choose minus. Now, to minus the tables 1 and 2, click on the columns, select numbers 1, comma, numbers 2, and don't forget to close it. Okay, but because I don't have the close parenthesis, so click on set formula, and as you can see, these are the difference of these numbers. Okay, and that is how you add formula in Monday.com. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.